Hello students, I am your Z sir, welcoming you in exercise 4.6 question answers, or you can say sums. In last video we had understand the descriptions and terms which will be used in this exercise, which I am drawn below my back side. So let's start the exercise. So read the question from your book. So from the figure, identify the figure which is given in your book. I had drawn on the board. Clear? This is your figure which is given in your book. So what we have to find? First thing we have to find the A, that is a center of circle. I already explained you center of circle. So question A, that is center of circle, is point O. This is in the center, बीचों के बीच है. सेंटर मीन्स विच इज जो बीच में है, जो पॉइंट बीच में है सबके. सो पॉइंट O is center of your circle. Clear? Now B. What the question B they ask? 3 radii. Radii means R-A-D-I. Radii means radius. Okay? 3 radii. The radius short form is radii. Don't confuse. बोलोगे सर radius है, यहाँ पे radii लिखा हुआ है. So it's a radius. 3 radii. So 3 radius we have to give. So as I told you, the fixed point touching to the center of the circle, that is your radius. So this is my O and this is my C. This is my fixed point and this is my center of the circle. Both are touching, connecting. Okay, this OC, clear? Then after OA, this is also radius, and OB. This is a fixed point and this is my center, and OB are our radius. Now the third question is a diameter. As I told you that what is diameter? So the diameter means a chord passing from the center of the circle. जो सेंटर पॉइंट होता है सर्कल का, वहां से अगर कोई लाइन पास हो रही है पूरी की पूरी एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट तक, सर्कल के सेंटर में से लाइन पास हो रही है, जो कोड से कोड बोलते हैं, पर जो सेंटर में से पास होती है कोड, उसे क्या बोलते हैं? डायमीटर. वी विल कोड एज ए डायमीटर. सो हियर द लाइन विच इज पासिंग फ्रॉम द सेंटर, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम वन फिक्स पॉइंट, कटिंग डायमीटर, कटिंग ए फिक्स सेंटर पॉइंट एंड अगेन टचिंग द फिक्स पॉइंट. So this is my AC. Clear? This is my line passing from the center, that is our diameter. So diameter is our AC. Clear? Now D question. What is the D question they ask? A chord. We have to answer which one is the chord. So chord means the line which is touching, or you can say which connecting 2 point. Okay, which connecting 2 point. This is my one point, this is my another point. Okay, so this is our कोड. इससे क्या बोलेंगे हम? कोड बोलेंगे. सेंटर में से पास नहीं हो रही, देखिए ये रेडियस है, ये कोड है, तो ये क्या हो रही है? दिस पासिंग, दिस इज टचिंग 2 पॉइंट्स. दिस माय पॉइंट E and this is my point D. So you can call as a ED is our code. ठीक है बच्चा लोग, अभी ध्यान देना यहाँ पे. क्वेश्चन E, 2 points in the interior. Interior means the point, जो बिंदु होता है, जो पॉइंट होता है, which is inside the circle. We have to give only 2 points. Which are the 2 points that is inside the circle? So let's come on the figure. This E and D are on the boundary. A is on the boundary. Okay, this is my boundary. उसकी boundary पे B also is boundary. C is also on the boundary. So point O and P is remaining. So point O is the center point, but it is inside the circle. Okay, center कहाँ पे होता है? सर्कल के अंदर होता है. So O and this point is P point. Clear? So O and P are our interior point. O and P, these are our interior point. Clear? Now point F. So what is question F? A point in the exterior. Exterior means the point which is outside the circle. Clear? So here every point, some points are on the circle and some points are inside the circle. Which point is outside the circle? The point Q is the outside circle, so we can call as an exterior point. Clear? So Q point, okay, or we can say point Q, ये exterior point है. Now coming on question G. So what is G? G means a sector. They ask a sector. So I already explained you sector means this is our sector. See, this is my sector. The region or you can say area enclosed मतलब जो बंद है, किसके बीच में? आर्क ए बी एंड रेडियस ओ ए एंड ओ बी, दैट इज आवर सेक्टर. जो पोर्शन, जो एरिया सर्कल के अंदर क्लोज्ड होता है, बंद होता है, किसके बीच में? ये दोनों रेडियस है, उन दोनों के बीच में, एंड ये आर्क जो बन रही है ए बी, उन तीनों के बीच में जो एरिया होता है उसे बोलते हैं सेक्टर. सो दिस इज आवर सेक्टर ओ ए बी. सेक्टर ओ ए बी are sector. Now coming on question number H. A segment. Yes, I already explained in the last video what is segment. So segment means, see, this is my code and the code which have their area. जो कोड के एरिया जो होता है, जो कोड ने यहाँ पे एक लाइन बनाई उसे कोड बोलेंगे, उसके अंदर जो एरिया होता है उसे क्या बोलेंगे हम? segment. Yes, this is our segment. So I can also define like this also, that area which is enclosed by the arc ED. This is my arc also. ये आर्क भी है ना, ये आर्क भी से बोल सकता हूँ, ये एक आर्क है, ये पॉइंट से ये पॉइंट तक सर्कल पे. तो दिस इज माय ED, द आर्क ED एंड कोड ED, both the point are same. Make a one area, that area is known as a segment. तो इसे क्या बोलेंगे? We can call as ED is, or you can say R segment of circle. Okay students, so this is our question number 1. ठीक है? Now coming on our question number 2. I will give you time to write this, but before come on question number 2. Now question number 2 they ask, is every diameter, first question they ask, is every diameter of the circle also a chord? What they ask? Every diameter. Diameter means fixed point to fixed point from the center, that is our diameter. So they ask us that every diameter of a circle also a chord. जो भी diameter है वो सब chord ही है, उसे chord बोल सकते हैं. Yes, you can call a chord also every diameter which is passing from the center. Okay, you can call as a chord also. They are also one type of chord only. So you can give answer yes. Second one is every chord of the circle also a diameter? Second question they are asking that every chord means the chord which is not passing from the center also. क्लियर? जो कोड सेंटर पॉइंट में से पास नहीं हो रही, क्या उसे भी हम डायमीटर कहेंगे? नो, द कोड विच इज नॉट पासिंग फ्रॉम द सेंटर पॉइंट, दैट यू विल नॉट कॉल्ड एज ए डायमीटर. So what you will speak, you will write that every chord is not necessarily a diameter. क्लियर? हर एक कोड, ये भी एक वन कोड है, ठीक है, ईडी इज ए कोड, बट यू विल नॉट कॉल एज ए डायमीटर बिकॉज इट इज नॉट पासिंग फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल. Clear? So every chord is not a diameter, but diameter will be a chord. Clear? So first answer is yes and second is no. This is our question number 2. I had completed. Question 1 and question 2 is completed. Now moving on question number 3. First of all, write this in your book. I had written the answer of question number 2 on the right side of the board. So first one is A and second A is yes and B is no. Okay? Yes students, let's start the last question of this exercise and of this chapter number 4. Clear? So the question they ask to us is draw a circle. So first of all, question number 3, draw a circle. We will draw first of all a circle. So this is my circle. Okay, it's somewhat like circle only. बोर्ड पे थोड़ा रहता नहीं है सही से, but I will draw properly so it is visible to you, properly visible to you. Clear? Now I had prepared a circle. What they ask, first of all, what we have to do? A center. We have to prepare a center. We will draw a center here and we will write also. So I will write the answer here. This is my A. So what is my center? This is my center. Okay, I will give name O. So I will write here also point O is our center. Now second question, B is radius. What they ask? Radius of the circle. So question B. So I will draw a radius from here. This is my fixed point only. So I will connect these two lines and I will give a name A. The name is depend upon you. You can give any name. Clear? So A. So OA is a radius. OA is radius. Now question number C. A diameter. They ask us to draw a diameter. So how we will draw the diameter? This is my radius OA. So diameter, the line passing from the center of the circle, connecting two fixed points. This is my one fixed point and I will make a second fixed point here. So these two lines will be connect to each other and this line also passing from the center. ये line center से pass हो रही है. I will give a name B. So this is my, I can call as a diameter. Okay. So BA is a diameter. BA is diameter. Now coming on question number D. A sector. What they ask? To draw a sector. So how to draw a sector? We know that two radius and one arc. We need two radius. दो radius चाहिए and one arc. So this is my one radius. I have to draw another radius. So I will take one radius from here and connect to this point. I will call this point as C. Okay, and this is my portion. This is my arc. AC is my arc, OA and OC is a radius. So this is my sector. So I can call as a name OCA or else OAC. That depend upon you. Okay. So this is our sector. OAC is sector. Clear? Now E question number E. Let's do here only. Okay. So E, they ask that a segment. We have to find a segment. So what I will do, I will draw a one code. Okay, but that code will not pass from the center. Clear? So I can draw anywhere, but I want only two fixed point. I want two fixed point. So this is my fixed point and this is my another fixed point. Okay, I am connecting these two fixed point and I am giving name. I had given A, B, C, I give D, and this is my E. They depend upon you. You can give any name. Clear? So this is our segment. We have to draw like this and make it dark so it can visible to you. So this is our segment. So I can write DE is segment. Now the question number F. What they ask? A point in its interior. Okay, which point in its interior? So I had one point O, but I want to draw another point. I can call as A, B, C, D and E. I will draw here F. मेरी मर्जी, मैं कोई भी point लूँ, ठीक है ना? So it's depend upon you. It will not make you wrong. Okay? So point O and point F. Or else you can write also point F only. That depend upon you. Clear? So I can answer the following question. A point in its interior. I had make one point. Clear? This is our interior. So F is a interior. I can also write O. O is also an interior, but no need to answer. They don't ask us that give two interior. They don't ask us, but we have to draw one circle in it, and we had given one point. Clear? This is our center and this is our interior point. If they ask us, they give us a two interior point. So O and F are our two interior point. Clear? ये समझ में आ गया यहाँ तक? Now question G. A point in its exterior. So we have to draw an exterior point. This is my G. This is outside the circle. The point is outside the circle that you can call as a exterior. So G point is exterior of a circle. Clear? Now the last question they ask us that an arc. We have to give an arc. So which arc? I have already arc AC and DE. But as I show interior point, I will also show a arc. So arc will be any point on the circle. You can consider. So this is also my arc. I am showing with different chalk. Okay, this is my arc only. Now I am giving a one name to E. This A B C D E F G. This is my H, I, and J. So this H, I, J is the arc of a circle. H. Question number H. So H, I, J. Or you can say J, I, H. Anything. I will write here J, I, H is an arc of circle. So students, the question H I had completed right now only. I think you had understand properly each and every question, answer and terms. So here our chapter number 4 is, yes, completed. So I will come in the next video with the next new chapter with a good concept and good explanations. If you are watching with the Z sir, a new concept with a good explanation, so be tuned with me. Okay, bye bye.